Today, we'll learn how to display images in Streamlit using st.image. We'll also learn how to change the image size, add captions, and finally build a simple image gallery app. Let's get started.
Many web applications display images. For example, product images in an online store, user profile pictures, company logos, dashboard icons, photo galleries. In Streamlit, we use st.image to display images.
First, create a folder named Images inside your project. Now, place an image inside this folder. For example, I have this image. Project folder. Under Images, I have bird.png. Now, write this code. Import Streamlit as st. st.image, place your folder path, images/bird.png. Save the file and run your application. You'll see your image displayed on the web page. Congratulations! You've displayed your first image in Streamlit.
Now, we can add a caption. Let's write code. st.image, open parentheses, quotation mark, images/bird.png, quotation mark, comma, caption equals, quotation mark, bird image, quotation mark, close parentheses. Run the application again. Now, the image has a caption below it. Perfect.
Now, we change image size. Just add this line in code. Width equals 250. Now the image is displayed with a width of 250 pixels. Try changing the value to 150, 300, or 400 and see the difference. Now let's build a small image gallery. You can see I have 3 images in my folder. Now let's write code. Run the application. Now you've created a simple image gallery. This is the same concept used in portfolio websites, product galleries, and photo albums. Today, we learned how to display an image using st.image, how to add a caption, how to change image width, how to create a simple image gallery. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.